Hello everyone. You can see here is my introduction to coding. What is so here I just have a new platform where I've just created a new file under coding. So I want to name it as calmon.html. So I type HTML, then enter. Then I separate T, then type body inside at the center. Body. So the body is where now you want to place that data. It's what you call body. Then I create a space. As you can see, I'm putting that space before I start inserting those data. Remember, this is what you call coding. Then so next I want a title. What's called a heading, H1. That's a heading, H1. That's when I wrote the team Calmon Salvage Official. Yeah. So that is a heading. Then next H2, that's what heading 2. It's like a subtitle. Remember, this is just a sample. It's not that I'm going direct to I'm just doing a sample just to show you. So that's where I write still the Calmon. Till the Calmon. Then from that, so I decided to break. So this BR. Then next I did to type a paragraph. That's P. Then I create a space. Then lorem. Lorem just like there's an English word. Once you write lorem, it will just create for you a paragraph using its own words. But let's skip that. Already I've created a paragraph. Remember, I used to create it within P, in which what's called paragraph. Then I break again BR. Then I started listing. So in coding, if you want to list, you use li. In coding, we use li to list either things like something like maybe towns, maybe like here I decided it's just a sample. So here I was just listing towns. One I started with, I don't know, it's Nairobi, something like that. Kisumu, Kakamega. I listed only, I think, if I'm not wrong, 5 of them. So here, there you can see. So yeah, li is used for listing. That is the only thing you should master there. But don't worry, for the next class I shall be explaining. In fact, I shall be writing on front before I start doing anything. This was just a sample. So from that, now I wrote another heading, which I used H1 again. So then I wrote it's made by Calmon Salvage Official again. Actually, remember also to support me here in my platform, because I shall be taking through daily. But once you need more, DM for class. So from that, then subtitle again. That's when I wrote welcome for the next class, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, something like that. Then from there, I shall go direct to run. Well, it's what you call start debugging. That's like processing the exact code that I was running. Run, then start debugging there. And then start debugging. Then once from there, I trust. Yes, I accept. Then I click the browser that I want to use to open web app. Then you will see there to accept to run, and again there it is already running. Now that is the outcome. Now you can see on what I was doing. So that is the outcome. Now you can see. I can maximize, you see very well. Yeah, that is it. So that was just a sample. It was just a sample. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the class. Welcome. Bye.